Hey everybody, it's Sal here,
Here with Alex Athey.
and we are in our downtown Orlando office, and it is raining cats and dogs outside, but we still wanted to bring you another mini tutorial. So today we're getting into the About page. Now, I'm going to cover a few of these different skills. There's an About page, there's a service page, there's a bunch of skills that are meant for web pages, and this is the About page. So if you wanted to write a little bit about your company, your business, your person, your product, your service, this is what you would use. Okay, in the About page, you'll see our famous generation window. This does support Haley AI settings, so if you've upgraded to Haley AI settings, you'll be able to change your temperature controls on Haley. You'll be able to choose between nonfiction and fictional products, About pages. You'll be able to choose from different emotional tones of the writing and control your own bias filter. With that being said, on the left-hand side, you have your About page generation window. In that generation window, it will give you a brief description of what this skill does and how to use it. And then you'll have your input box. In your input box, you'll have a microphone on the side. You could always speak directly to Haley. For this case, we're just going to copy one of the developer note examples because Alex has worked very hard on them.
I tested every single one of them, so I know these will give you good output.
I know through many videos that you might have watched, you've heard him say that he spent tirelessly making these developer notes, and it's true. And that is why you should follow him as closely as possible to get the best results from your generation. Let's go ahead and generate this About page. And what happens here is we beam up your information, and then Haley AI will research whatever it is that you inputted, right? Your company name or your brand and what it is that you do, and then she will write a page about that. All our content still needs to be edited. I highly recommend editing to make it your own, but this will save you hours and hours of time coming up with ideas. Defeats writer's block completely and entirely.
That's some good stuff here too. I like this line. We do this by have the best of both worlds, local knowledge and global inspiration.
Love it.
That's good for a travel agency.
Now, the cool thing is you can also download the audio or listen to it being read out. So Haley AI will read this for you, and you can always download that and share that on your About page for somebody else to listen to it instead of reading. Sometimes you have visually impaired people, and we want to break that. We want to make sure they're able to use it like everybody else. Now, if you scroll down and you select your topic, you'll see there is 3 different buttons. Expand, so you can expand the skill. You could reload the skill if you didn't like any of the outputs, or you can finalize it. And below that, you have recommended skills. These are skills that are really good to go along with whatever you just generated. So with the About page specifically, you can expand some of the sentences that you liked. You can, like the sentence that he read, you can expand that sentence and make it much better. You can use the article writer to create a lot more content for your About page about your specific topic. You can use your headline generator or other headline prompts to create that interest within the page and call to actions and excitement. So this is definitely, look at the recommended skills on all your generation windows. They'll have good recommended skills that you can work off of.
And plus they chain right in. You just click the button and Haley gets right to work on it.
That's
no
right.
more input needed from you.
That's right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and finalize this specific About page. It will come into the Haley AI editor like the rest of the skills, and you will see the draft right there. On the right hand side, you will see Haley AI editor suggestions to fix your spelling, grammar, or any other recommendations she might have to improve the copy. And then on the top, you'll have your top menu options: save, download, edit, plagiarism check, audio. You can always download the audio from here as well. You can plagiarize check to make sure that this has never been published anywhere before, so you can know that it's original content just for you. If you scroll down, you'll see your image options. So we give you 3 different images related to your specific About page. If you don't like them, you can always refresh, and then we'll give you more images. And if you don't find the image that fits with what you're looking for, you could always do a search on it. And these are all royalty free, and they're yours to use for any reason. If you scroll down, you'll get the rest of your content information, your grade level, your readability scored, and your word count. And then you can just download all. You'll download all the files in one file, one zip file with the Word document, text document, HTML, audio, and images all in one neat little zip file. With that being said, thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you. Take care.